Hose clamp rack is composed of 3 parts. It is an essential tool for any business that deals with hose clamps. It transforms a potentially messy and disorganized product category into a niche, professional, and customer-friendly display, enhancing both operational efficiency and sales potential. The most common feature is a series of horizontal metal rods or pegs. Each rod is typically dedicated to a single clamp size. The clamps are slid onto the rod, often with a sample attached to the front for easy identification. They are usually made from heavy-duty materials like powder-coated steel or wire to withstand the weight of metal clamps and resist corrosion. This hose clamp set includes 12 IPC's hose clamps, 100 PC's mini clips, 12 IPC's worm drive hose clamps,